Kutties Chutties.
Hi friends, welcome to Kutties Chutties. Today we are going to see about wastewater recycling. We all used to be wondering where will the wastewater go and how will these water will be recycled, or will they be just left into the ocean? Here's the answer for that. So first let's see what is wastewater. And what is wastewater recycling? Wastewater is nothing but the black and brownish water with foul smell which we produce. It is produced because of the waste we give through water, like the food waste or by washing vessels, with washing clothes, and then toilet waste, etc. These wastewater are collected by big pipelines which are joined from every houses to a big plant. So that plant is called as wastewater treatment plant. So all the water flows into that plant and over there it will be recycled. And after all this process we get back our clean water which we use in our daily life. So let's see step by step how the water is recycled. First step is the bar screen tank. Over here, the wastewater is first travel through the bars in which it will have these kinds of structure in which metal can, then plastic bag or plastic bottle and many more will get stuck. After a point of time, the machine will remove all the dirt. Otherwise, the dirt will get blocked and the water will not be able to go. Next is the sand removal tank. In this, the grit, sand, pebbles, and all stones and all those things get settled in the sedimentation process. So, here, this is the tank, and over here we have water flowing and all the pebbles will stones everything will come and settle down, feces and other waste just keeps on floating. Next we have clarifier. In clarifier it is a process again used with sedimentation process in which the feces and the oil are separated. So the feces which will settle down and the oil like soap and shampoo and all those things which we bath or like washing vessels, those soap and all gets separated in the top. So this is where the human feces and the oils are separated. After all the feces are separated, then the feces will be left into another tank called sludge. So in the sludge tank, these feces will be dried and they will be used as fertilizers in the factories. So over here, this is called sludge because these are feces, so this is called sludge. Next is the aerator. In the aerator, they will give out some biological microorganisms which will kill all the dirt or germs present in the water. So they will leave out a lot of air in which these organisms will get dissolved in the water and then they will eat up all the bacteria. So this is the last process called chlorine treatment. In this treatment, the water is given chlorine which cleans out all the chemicals in the present in the water which cannot be cleaned in any other processes. So for cleaning the chemicals they keep another process called the chlorine treatment. After this we get our water back. So this is the process by which the wastewater will turn into clean water and then it's lived into water bodies. Every drop of water makes even an ocean. So save every drop and don't waste or pollute water. Thank you. Bye bye from Kutties Chutties.